I'm Paul from Sound Devices, and I'd like to talk to you about the 688 and the SL6 accessory. The 688, I think most people know, came out, started shipping over a month ago, and this is a new 12 input 16 track recorder, and it's a digitally based system that now incorporates a full 12 channel auto mixer, which we call Mix Assist. Very powerful system. So with the fact that it's a digital mixer, allows us to do a lot of very flexible routing and processing. We've added input and output delay as well. We've also taken the sampling rate up to 192 kilohertz. So this is a very flexible, powerful system. Now, one of the key design aspects of the 688 was for it to work with the SL6 wireless receiver and powering system. Now, this is a bolt-on chassis which fixes to the top of the 688, and this allows the user to plug in up to 3 uni-slot or super slot 2-channel receivers. Now, uni-slot receivers have been around for some time, and with the likes of the Lectrosonics SRB and Wizicom receivers. So what we did is, yes, we are compatible with uni-slot receivers. We can take the 2-channel audio and we can supply power to them via these slots. But we've also extended the uni-slot specification. And we've developed, with the collaboration of Lectrosonics, Wizicom, Sennheiser and Audio Limited, this new open protocol which we call Super Slot. And this not only provides audio, analog audio, but also digital audio, AES audio from receivers. In fact, the standard can support up to 4 channels of AES if necessary. We also provide the powering, but the really cool thing is we now have serial communication between our mixer. The standard supports serial communication between the mixer and a super slot device. So we can control and set up all receivers attached to the inserted into the SL6, but from the 688 menu system. So like here's the typical receiver overview screen. We can see receiver 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We don't have any signal running through this at the moment. I can then go into each receiver page and set the frequency, monitor RF levels, audio levels, look at battery transmitter battery level, and various things. And we can configure various aspects of the receivers. So now we've got this really nice display that allows you to control the receivers. Now, yeah, the receivers have their own displays and they certainly are usable, but to get a full overview of all 6 receivers, that's a real bonus. So what the SL6 brings us with that super slot technology is really a virtually cable-free bag solution. We've decluttered the bag, and with reality shows demanding more and more radio mics, to get rid of all those cables and that mess of powering, it's like really going to simplify, increase reliability and so forth. The other thing that I'd like to mention about the SL6, it's not just about wireless receivers. It also accommodates an MP1 battery, and it can also be powered from an external DC source on the right panel here. And so these power sources can actually empower the entire system, not just the SL6 and the receivers, but the 688 too. Internal to the SL6, we've incorporated our PowerSafe technology, which is a UPS built-in power reserve that offers up to 10 seconds of power reserve should all power go, so that allows you to replug a new battery. And the final thing I'd like to mention about the SL6 accessory is we provide 4 DC outputs for powering peripheral components in the bag. So for more information about this product, the 688 and the SL6 and other Sound Devices products, please go to sounddevices.com.